What's up, guys? It's me, Umar Farooq. Well, a very good morning and absolutely beautiful scenario throughout the morning here today. It is the first day of 2025. So, out of love and compassion of a new year, I am here in a salt farming field, actually in which and where fishermen dry fish actually. So I'm going to show you the I'm going to demonstrate you the site actually. I'm going to take in all the site actually. So we can see a fisherman actually. He is drying fish. You can see he's drying fish on the net actually. So let's see what can I talk to him actually. He's maybe I know him on face actually. So hey bhai, কেমন আছেন ভাই? কেমন আছেন ভাই? Actually, he is when I asked him how about his life, so he simply replied he is fine. So actually, he has been drying fish for 12 years actually. So কেমন লাগতেছে এই আপনার ব্যবসা এটা আপনার কেমন অনুভূতি?
আলহামদুলিল্লাহ, খুব সুন্দর সুস্থভাবে জীবনযাপন করতেছে। এই ব্যবসাটা নিয়ে খুব শান্তি লাগতেছে। এই ব্যবসাটা নিয়ে খুব আরামদায়ক পাইতেছি।
Actually, he is very satisfied with his business actually by drying fish, by selling the fish. Actually, he can earn an honest living by doing this business actually. So, thank you, fisherman. Thank you. God bless. So, I'm going to other side actually. The place is actually amazing. So, you can see the place actually amazing. So, this is very today it's very scorching heat. So sun is very fast. So I cannot walk barefoot. So actually, you can see some other fishermen actually they are also drying fish as well. So let me talk to him. What can I talk to him? Let's see, please. Actually, he's not willing to talk to me actually. So I'm going back to the other side actually. So this place is actually amazing. Well, we can see some goods are actually they're mating actually. So I'm going to other side. Well, so this is the coastal area. Most of the people of this village they live from hand to mouth. We can also see a fisherman actually is sorting out the fishes actually. He's sorting out the best ones actually. So কেমন আছেন ভাই? কেমন আছেন? ভালো। আহ, আপনি কত বছর ধরে এই মাছের ব্যবসা করতেছেন?
মাথার ব্যবসা করে লাড়িলে আর 40 বছর লইতে হই।
Actually, he has been doing his business for 40 years actually. So আপনি আপনার ব্যবসার সাথে সন্তুষ্ট তাই না?
না আমাদের বাইরে
Actually, he works as a day labor. Actually, this business belongs to his brother. So thank you. So I'm going back to the other place. Actually, the place is amazing. So please, what is actually so today? I'm very tired. Mm, tired of walking. Actually, the place is amazing. You can see. I cannot show you the place actually clearly. Well, we can see a drain actually. Maybe drain is very large, so I'm afraid to cross the drain actually. So let's see if I can jump. Oh my God! The drain is very risky. So we can see only the bamboo and the bend and fence of the bamboo actually on which the fishermen actually dry fish actually. So we can see a little goat actually is lying on the ground actually. So he's ruminating. Actually the place is amazing. So well, what today it is a maybe I don't know what day is today.